Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to update or change your number, your phone number, email address, your KYC details in your ADCB account. All right, so welcome. If it's the very first time, my name is Martha K. Mirembe. This is Atutaka Solution, where we do tech, business and investment tips. You want to subscribe if you don't want to miss any videos. Turn on that bell notification so you'll be informed whenever I upload a new video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and if you have any add-ons, I'll appreciate reading from you. All right, so you just want to log into your ADCB bank digital app, like that one. You download it on your phone and then you sign in, and then so everything is now online. You don't have to make a queue, go to the bank and stuff. So once you sign in, you go to your profile on the right hand corner of your phone, or this is mobile version. All right, so you click the account information or profile. Okay, then they'll ask you to access this feature. A one-time verification is required. Do you wish to continue? Definitely you want to say yes, because you wish to continue. If you don't want to continue, then it will not show. So they'll verify your face, your facial had a selfie. Now I don't know that person. If you know that person, comment down below. Okay, so once the verification is done, once they've scanned your face, then now it'll process calito. Even I left this time footage for you to see. It doesn't take even 5 minutes. No, it's just 2 minutes and it's done. Okay, so you have to trust the process. You want to make sure you're in a clear lighting, and just so that they can see your face clearly. Because remember, even when you were signing up or registering, getting this account number, you went through those processes of facial verification, facial face selfie verification. All right, so you go to personal information, and then where you see full name, you want to click there. Full name, you don't change your full name. Then this is your customer ID. This is the short name. Okay, now we want to change the contact details. So we start with the mobile number. You click on that red pencil icon to edit, and the email address and stuff like that. So we're going to start one by one. We're going to start with the mobile number. So you click on the pencil icon there that you see, and then it will take you to a place where you can edit your number. Guys, check out OpenStar Logistics LLC. They are very good, and you can trust them with your cargo and stuff like that. Okay, so I'll leave the link in the description of this video and in the comments down below. You can check them out in their website. They're legit if you want to transport your things from UAE to Uganda. Okay, so mobile number, you click on the mobile number, then you put the existing mobile number, and you put the new one that you want to change to. Are we together? To live Katina mobile number has already changed. That one you'll have, like, they send for you an OTP. Me, I recorded this video after I had changed mine. So I just thought maybe someone might be in need of such information, because me, I just had to write them an email and asked how I can change, but the thing is already there on the platform, on the app. Okay, so same applies to email. You put in the existing email is already auto-filled. Now the new email that you want to change to, you now write it down or type it down below, and then as you can see, the continue is in faint. So you tap anywhere on the screen, you click anywhere on the screen, and then the continue thingy will show, and you click in it and continue. Then you'll check in your existing email for the change. They send for you the OTP on already existing. So don't change before you throw away the email or you throw away the number. Change when you still have the old number, so you can switch to the new number. Are we together? Any questions are welcome in the comments down below. Check out my Telegram if you want to link with me on Instagram. My links are on the description of the video. Okay, so as you can see, again, my profile, settings, KYC. Now we're going to go to KYC documents. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. They're going to ask you allow Pichi to thingy, to verify, like you're the one, because no one will just take your phone and start changing things. No, it has to be you. Okay, now the KYC is know your customer. Okay, the documents that you attached. I attached my passport and my Emirates ID. So if I want to change a passport, or I've got a new passport and I want to add it to update the information here, I'll just come here to KYC documents, then click on the option for passport and update. Click update, then I put the new passport number if there be any, and then I put the expiry date. Basically, I put in that new passport's information. Okay, passport information, then upload the passport now. So remember guys, the file acceptable is either PNG, JPG or JPEG, maximum 2 MB. Okay, you can I think on this channel I have how to compress files. Check out some of these old videos. Now we go to Emirates ID. Same thing. For example, you've changed your employer or you've changed employment and you've got a new employment visa. Definitely it comes with a new Emirates ID. Now you have to come here and update. Okay, yes, so you put in the new Emirates ID number, its expiry date, and then you upload the new Emirates ID, front and back. Make sure you're in a clear lighting. Make sure you do not crop. Put the ID the way it is. Okay, just it has to be shown all the 4 angles, all the 4 edges, and then also make sure it's in JPG or JPEG. What are those? What do those things stand for? Okay, anyway, here. So then, assuming now you'll have updated, and that's all. It's very easy. It's very friendly mobile app for ADCB. If you haven't registered for ADCB, just go to your mobile phone, download either App Store or Google. What was it? Google Play. Okay, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.